In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier. We're going to set up a simple automation that takes new emails from Gmail and logs them into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is great for tracking leads, support requests, or any messages you want neatly organized without manual copy and paste. First, head to the Zapier homepage and make sure you're signed in. It helps to already be logged into the Google accounts you'll use for Gmail and Google Sheets in the same browser. Zapier will ask for permission to connect those services, so being signed in speeds things up. Next, click Create, then choose Zaps to start a new workflow. Give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later, something like Gmail to Sheets log. Naming is optional here, but it's a helpful habit as you add more automations over time. Now, start with your trigger. Select Gmail as the app that kicks things off. For the event, you can choose New Email to capture everything, or narrow it with an option like New Labeled Email if you only want messages that you've tagged or filtered in Gmail. Connect your Gmail account when prompted and allow Zapier to access it. To make testing easy, be sure there's at least one recent email in your inbox that matches your chosen event. Click Test to pull in a sample so you can see the fields available, such as subject, from address, date, and body preview. Then choose your destination by adding the action step and selecting Google Sheets. Connect your Google account and pick the spreadsheet and the specific worksheet where you want the data to land. Before you continue, open that sheet and make sure the first row contains clear column headers like date, from, subject, and snippet or body. In Zapier, choose the Create Spreadsheet row action, then map each Gmail field to the corresponding column. For example, map Gmail's From to your From column, subject to subject, and so on. If your email bodies are long, consider mapping a short snippet instead to keep rows tidy. Run a test action to send a sample row to your sheet. Flip back to Google Sheets to confirm everything appears in the right columns. If something looks off, adjust your mappings or check that your header names are spelled exactly as you expect. When you're happy with the test, turn on your Zap. From now on, new emails that meet your trigger will automatically create rows in your Google Sheet, giving you a live, searchable log with zero manual effort.